Welcome back to Locus Academy, and in this video we're going to do trigonometric equation. Now before we tackle this topic, there are a couple of prerequisite knowledge that you should know. First of all, it's your sine, cos and tan ratios, your special angles, and also your unit circles. This is the kind of example that you will see in a trigonometric equations, and we're gonna try to tackle this. Find the values of theta between 0 to 4 pi if sine 3 theta equals root 3 over 2. Now remember your 4 pi in radians. If 2 pi is really your 360 degrees, that means 4 pi is double that, which is 720 degrees. But let's simplify our equation first. I'm gonna let x equal 3 theta, so we can rewrite this as sine x equals root 3 over 2. Now we have a positive value of sine, that means it's going to be in the first or the second quadrant. Now in this case, I have your base angle here and base angle over there, and these two will be positive sine values. Now using your calculator, obviously you will need your calculator for trigonometry, you will do x equals sine, take away 1, root 3 over 2. Now this is your inverse function of trigonometry, and the base angle will be 60 degrees. Now your 60 degrees in radians is pretty much equal to pi over 3. Now that we know the basic angle is pi over 3 or 60 degrees, we're going to find the second quadrant's angle, So in this case, that's going to be pi, take away pi over 3, which will equal 2 pi over 3. X is really pi over 3 and 2 pi over 3. Now this is not the final solutions because we need to write down our solutions in terms of theta. And remember that x is equal to 3 theta. Therefore we can change this into theta form. 3 theta equals pi over 3, or 3 theta could equal 2 pi over 3. If you divide both sides by 3, you'll have pi over 9, and if you divide both sides here by 3, you'll have 2 pi over 9. That is not the final solution though, because we are looking at the region of 0 theta to 4 pi. How do we find the other values of theta? We can add 2 pi to both answers. The other theta will be pi over 9 plus 2 pi, which will equal 19 pi over 9. And the other theta will be 2 pi over 9 plus 2 pi, which will equal 20 pi over 9. Therefore, theta would be pi over 9, 2 pi over 9, 19 pi over 9, and 20 pi over 9. Now if you convert it to degrees, theta would be 20 degrees, 40 degrees, 380 degrees, and also 400 degrees. These are all the values of theta. Put into your calculator, you'll get these answers. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you in the next one.